Some letters in Arabic they do have a meaning. So for example, we have the letter fa, which means so. So for example, if I said fashu sar, so what happened? Now the other one you might already know, which is u, and it's just a letter u. Also, we have the letter lam, la, and it is like for or to something or place. For example, shugul, to the work, for example, or لصاحبتي, for my friend. The last letter is, someone asked me about this letter. It is the letter A, Ain. So what is the letter Ain? Ain is basically ala, which means it has different meanings, depends on where it is on the sentence, but the main meaning for the for ala is on. So when we have ala and then we have a word that starts with the, which is l, I did a podcast about the before. So if we have ala il something, al bet, for example, we won't say ala il bet. Like you can, but we just say al bet. So first, when we have one letter we're using, we usually combine it with the next word. Okay. Now, since ala and el they have lam and alif, like we just combine the whole thing. So we say al sayyara, for example, or as sayyara, as sayyara. So if you listen to my episode about the sun and the moon, I'm gonna help you hear the difference between show you the difference between the sun and the moon when we are using ala with a word that starts with a sun letter. Okay, so for example, we have shanta, which means bag. So if I said ala shanta, on a bag. Now if I said ashanta, that basically means, oh sorry, ashanta, alshanta, yeah. If I said ashanta, that basically means ala el shanta, but we are combining. So this is why you don't hear the full ala, because the word has the in the beginning. Okay, if the word does not have a the in the beginning, then you're gonna hear ala like all of it. If the word has the in the beginning, then you will only hear the letter a in the word. So this is what a is doing. And also when we write, we combine the ain actually with the word. So we write a il shanta. So we combine the ain is connected to the alif. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Check out my workbooks in my Etsy shop. And if you're looking for a teacher one on one, I offer packages. Contact me and let me know. Thank you.